Fresenius Kabi has its state-of-the-art facility in Kalyani, West Bengal, surrounded by plush green natural beauty. Due to the recent outburst of the ever-escalating COVID-19 pandemic and being a healthcare company itself, it is taking all necessary precautions for its employees and staff to ensure maximum safety against this fast-spreading virus. Starting from maintaining social distancing during seating in bus, sanitization at gate entrance, face mask and gloves, thermal screening, it's leaving no stone unearthed to ensure world-class safety and hygiene measures. Equally effective is the untiring and relentless effort of its management and employees. Leading the team from the front is its Managing Director, Arvind Sharma.
Hello, good morning Kalyani. As you all are aware, the world started the year with the pandemic due to COVID-19, and we took all possible care to ensure the protection of the people and the site starting from early March 2020, much before the lockdown period started. And over a period of around 3 months, we have been able to run the site efficiently with all possible safeguard measures and also the support from all of you who were on site and who were away from the site during this period. I am happy to be back in Kalyani after 3 months. Thank you very much for your support during this lockdown period. During these 3 months, we had seen lots of other issues. Besides COVID, we had Cyclone Amphan, which devastated part of the West Bengal and also affected the site, but we did not stop. And then we had a dastardly attack on our IT systems as part of the ransomware, and there also I would appreciate our IT systems were up and running in no time on both the sites in Kalyani and Baddi. There has been immense efforts to run the site over last 3 months by the different teams, and I take this opportunity to thank Rakesh Patel, Sanjay Chakravarti, Vishwajit and others on site who were meticulously taking care of the site functions during this period of 3 months when I was away. As I am back to the site, it is time to focus once again on the people's safety. As you are aware, we had a COVID positive case here on site, and we immediately took corrective action, identified the 5 first-degree contact people, and they were quarantined. All the direct contacts did not get the infection. This proves that our safeguard measures are working. Let's keep following these measures. Fortunately, the COVID patient is out of the hospital, fully recovered. This all was possible because of the efforts and the safeguard measures being followed on site in terms of the masks, gloves, sanitization at entry, thermal scanning, as well as the oxygen content and the social distancing in canteen and the transport and whatnot. There is a local crisis management team, and in case of any difficulty, you can approach to them, you can approach to me in case of any concerns, suggestions, advices or anything. As the world is reeling under the pandemic, it is high time we continue to resolve to follow the safety measures on site so as to protect ourselves, our families, friends, company and society at large. Fresenius Kabi, as global healthcare companies, as part of their initiatives to tackle the COVID infection, and as a responsible employee of this great company and as the responsible citizen of this great country, let's continue to fight against COVID and continue to follow the safety measures without any let-up. Further to update you, meanwhile we have got 5 of our employees, they have been now trained in COVID tracing. The pandemic is going to continue and we do not know how long. We for sure know that we are prepared to fight it out and we will continue to follow the safeguard measures. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Hello Kalyani, a very different type of communication that I would like to do today via this short presentation from my side. This is regarding the COVID-19 pandemic situation, which this whole world right now is facing, which is again, it's a classic example where we need to be very, very disciplined, self-contained and very alert from our surrounding environment. Because of the nature of this disease and impact, it is of utter significance and that we need to handle it with appropriate care and precautions. We always hear the statement, prevention is better than cure. The whole morale behind this COVID-19 situation is that we all need to take due diligence and give due importance to every possible measures that can prevent the spread of this virus from our surrounding to the another. When we say prevention is better than cure, the first thing that comes into our mind is self-realization of the acute symptoms that this COVID-19, this COVID infection can give us, which can be cough, sneezing, fever, irritation in throat, nausea and headache in some cases. Therefore, what we need to practice on all the fronts such as personal, contaminant measures, transportation, canteen, cafeteria, material movement and visitor entry. So these are aspects which we have been taking care of well in our Kalyani facility, but then we also need to continue to do this, all the precautions that has been put forth by the management and we need to follow them very diligently.
Our employee safety comes first, which is why we have been working tirelessly to implement extensive additional safety measures at our site against coronavirus. A big thanks to all of you for your kind support.
This unwarranted time calls for unprecedented effort.
This tests our ability and value system. This requires, we need positivity and ability to cross over.
Let's be together, cleaner and safer to ensure we cross this journey. This shall pass too.
Hello, I am Satish Mani from Fresenius Kabi Quality Assurance Department. As Fresenius, we will not only ensuring the quality in products, we will also taking care of the employees' health and safety. And even in COVID situation, we have continued our manufacturing process to avoid the shortfall of drugs in the market. So I am proud to be the part of family along with my QA team. Thank you.
We, the warehouse employees, coming every day in this pandemic COVID-19 situation. We come every day to manufacture the drugs, and these drugs are used for the critically ill patient, and we ensure that these drugs should not be shortages in market. As a precautionary measure, we take some precaution when any incoming vehicles coming into the plant premises. All the vehicles are sanitized with sodium hypochlorite. All the drivers, attendants and the employees are also go through the same sort of sanitization procedure. All the employees as well as the outside person are coming in the plant premises with thermal screening as well as oxygen level monitoring. We keep all the materials aside for 24 hours after sanitization, then it came into the usage. Thank you.
I am Vishwajit Chakravarti. I am taking care of VHS department of Fresenius Kabi. During this COVID-19 time, it's really challenging to work and keep the momentum on. We are keeping ourselves motivated, taking all the precautions. We are using the mask and the gloves and regular sanitization. We are also maintaining social distancing while at work, and Freshness Kabi, which is taking all the precautions which is required to take care of this COVID-19.
I am working in quality control department where I check the quality of the drug substance which is produced in our facility. Now the world is undergoing pandemic COVID-19. For humanity, for sake of treatment of cancer patients, it is my responsibility to produce the drugs continuously so that the cancer patient will get the drugs on time. For this noble cause, Freshness Kabi is taking continuous effort and meticulously following the safety norms, and Freshness Kabi is taking utmost care on the employees by providing continuous training to the supervisors so that the healthy habit can be imbibed into the each and every person, those who are working at Freshness Kabi Oncology Limited.
Dear colleague, Namaskar. I would like to appreciate all who are working on site or working from home since last 3 months in these critical situations of pandemic threat of COVID-19, as well as the natural calamity super cyclone. Yes, we know this is the critical situation. On behalf of that also, we are continuously working to deliver the critical medicines to our patients. This is very tough time, we all know, but I believe from my heart, with this support of this team, as well as all the precautions which we are following, we will sure come out from this critical situation and we will come on the normal life. Finally, I would like to say that सावधानी जरूरी है, ये बात जान लो, कोरोना के आगे भी जिंदगी है, ये बात ठान लो. Thank you.
This facility maintains a doctrine of personal hygiene and sanitization at every level, including canteens where sitting areas are demarcated.
Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and healthy. We are part of HR team. Here we have continuously started working. No operations have ever been stopped in order to ensure that our pharma supply chain is unimpacted. In order to ensure that the required medicine reaches to the critically ill patient at right time. Here, the health and safety of employees remains one of the critical aspects wherein we have started monitoring the temperature, the oxygen levels, and the use of sanitizers, masks have been made mandatory. This, in a way, has become a new normal. In a way, very quickly we adopted this way of life. Life does exist with or without COVID. We ensure that our employees remain in healthy and hygienic conditions. Social distancing is being followed at every place. We hope in coming times we'll get over with this also, and we will come back to our normal routine life. Remain safe. Thank you.
At these difficult times, this is the team which is ensuring the safety, sanity and well-being of Fresenius Kabi's each and every staff. Standing in front line, these armed soldiers, they are working relentlessly, hand in hand, every moment to keep COVID-19 or any pandemic away. They are looking towards a new horizon, awaiting a new dawn, a pandemic-free COVID-19 world. And they together are Fresenius Kabi Kalyani.